This is a video showing how to replace a water intake valve after getting the error code E15. So my water intake valve was faulty, and I knew this because I could see it leaking. And this model here in particular is a Bosch SHE53 TL5UC/02. This is a video made in Canada with a Bosch dishwasher. This is the old water intake valve. It was faulty. It was leaking. As you can see, it's coming apart. Water intake valve was located at the rear right of the dishwasher, and as you can see, the hose went into it and it was sitting in a plastic holder that was attached to the back. So it wasn't too much of a problem to take apart the plastic holder and disassemble the hose. There's the old one, and that's the new one. So let's see if we can put it in. It's the new one, and we're going to try to install it. Shouldn't be a big deal. It's going to go basically where the old one was, inside that plastic receptacle thing that it came out of. It just sat there in the back. Yeah, I don't have the plastic, can't show you the plastic piece that came in, but basically once I install it like I do here, you can see the hose is back on. Attach the hose, this clamp just comes off, and the electrical receptacle goes back on it. And as you can see, I've replaced that plastic piece, as you can see, and I just need to attach the water supply. Okay, there it is. Now I got it on, screwed on. It's water is turned on. The dishwasher power is back on again. It seems to be working. The water is going in. Water's coming out, and it seems to be working. No errors. So let's see how it goes. So now that we're back, it seems to be working. Yeah, so successful water intake valve installed. Thanks for watching.